6th edition of Christmas Wonderland returns to Gardens by the Bay from 29 November to 26 December, featuring Christmas Parade, a brand new interactive Santa's workshop, magical luminary lights, and blizzard time transform the fairground into a stunning wonderland complete with Yuletide favorites and festive fun for everyone. Be dazzled by majestic luminary light sculptures, including a stunning 21-meter tall Spalliera inspired by the iconic towers of San Gimignano in Tuscany, Italy, as well as Asia's tallest luminary Christmas tree. Blizzard time presented by Häagen-Dazs let you experience the wonders of snow against a stunning backdrop of luminary light sculptures, and the Supertrees daily from 6:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. in the heart of Gardens by the Bay.
Misfortune seemed his lot. We ran into a drifted bank, and there we got upside. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
It is time to reflect upon the year that was and the new year that lies ahead. Take a journey through the Walk of Peace and let the 60,000 lights guide you during your reflections. If you like this video, please give a thumb up, subscribe, share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next video.